Introducing our first brushless XL 18-volt impact wrench.
The #1 choice for all DIYers.
This will help you break the bolts instead of breaking the bank. The impact wrench will provide a robust torque of 350 Newton meters. This can do up to 2,500 RPMs and 3,400 beats per minute. To maximize the application, it offers a 3-mode drive control which allows the user to shift into 3 different speeds and torque settings. It has a 1/2-inch square friction ring which makes it very versatile to use. When working in dark areas like this, the machine provides a powerful LED light which will help you brighten your workspace. As you can see, it's got a very compact design and perfect for tight spaces. Let me compare this to the standard version. This is the 18-volt brushed version. As you can see, massive size difference. So this one is much more powerful and yet again, perfect for tight spaces. So guys, you can buy it as a body only or in a kit with a battery charger and a tool bag. Check it exclusively on toolstotrade.co.uk.